I'm just going to be straight and honest with y'all. Dealing with these flooded lead acid batteries is getting very, very old. The other morning, this is what I woke up to on my 24-volt battery bank, 22.61, so I knew something was wrong. And just real quick, side note, I installed a 4-outlet deal on my local switch right up there, so now I got 4 outlets. Anyway, let's get back to these batteries. I found 2 batteries that were like 4.35 volts, and the other one was like 5. And I took 2 from that string that I pulled off in September, and I think I got them somewhat in good shape. But this whole battery bank is a ticking time bomb on longevity. It's just a matter of time before all these are done. So all these voltages that I taped the batteries was what I started with. And right now I am equalizing these cells per the data sheet from Trojan for this specific battery. As you can see, all the Midnite Solars are in equalization, set at 32.4, and yes, I'm using a temperature sensor probe on the batteries. So let's take a look and see what's going on here. Very difficult to see, but that center cell right there isn't bubbly is stirring up as much as the other 2 right there. These are 2-volt cells, 6-volt batteries. This one, that one's doing good. All 3 are bubbling well. That one's doing pretty good. I think this one, the center one right there, it's bubbling but not as aggressive. So I'm just going to let this thing equalize. So that one's good there. That one appears to be good. So this one, yeah, that cell right there in the end, it's bubbling, but it's not that good. And yes, I know how to do a specific gravity test using a hydrometer and all that. And I did that all last winter, or was it January of this year? Messy, stinky, hot, unhealthy, ruined pairs of jeans, stuffy nose, eyes watering, skin irritation, good times. There, the spec sheet says 32.4, and there's your specific gravities. And I did a complete, no kidding, breakdown on an Excel spreadsheet, all this. In the interim, I threw these vent caps in the dishwasher with 2 detergent pods, and they came out great. Just blew the soap out of them. They're dry, good to go, ready to install, but not while I'm equalizing and inspecting. So there you have it. I'm pretty much done with these Trojan flooded lead acid batteries. Now I have other Trojans, the AGMs, that are just doing fantastic on my other systems. A little side note here, I moved the stereo AV receiver up top there and put in some heavier duty wire. So alright guys, there you have it. Thanks for watching. Appreciate your comments, and we'll see you next time.